What's up with you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. Nobody lit. What? We going to the park. Come here. What the heck you doing, boy? What that is? Yeah, we going to the park. See, LJ trying to get lit. Them niggas not lit though, y'all. But look, y'all see me iced out. Let me see who else iced out. Who else iced out? Let me see. You iced out? Where your chain at? Where your necklace? Where your necklace? No, you ain't got no necklace. Let me see your necklace. Who else iced out? Okay then, where your necklace at, Jet? Let me see. Okay then. But yeah, y'all, so we finna walk to the park. It's hot as hell out here. It's probably like...
It's your fault.
You cold?
Yeah.
It's probably like 90 degrees out here, I think. You hot, LJ? Mike, keep him. Put him on this side, Mike.
No,
Yeah, it's very hot. Look at these things on this tree.
Come on. That's your kid.
It was good, y'all, but it was a little sour.
How much money do you need?
And you supposed to rinse it off. What?
How much money you need to get in the pool?
We ain't getting in no pool. The pool closed. The pool closed. We might go another day. We might go to the beach. You want to go to the beach?
No.
How many lights we need to go to the beach?
3,000K.
How many lights to go to the beach, Jess?
I don't know. One light.
See, that's what I'm saying. See?
One light.
One light to go to the beach. Let's go.
If we get one light, we're going to...
Huh?
2 lights.
What? What you said?
I said we get one light. I said if we get one light, we're going to the beach.
That's it.
That might be our next journey or adventure.
So make sure y'all like the video so if y'all want to see us go to the beach. Man, it is hot out here.
We're going to go to that.
Hold up, y'all. Let me check out Jess' drip real quick. Just come here.
Check
Check out his drip. Cause turn around, bro. Turn around, bro. He got new kicks. This boy iced out. I got him a chain. I got everybody a chain, y'all. I told him I was gonna get him the 6'9" chain. Guess what he told me?
I'm destroying it.
He said he gonna destroy it, y'all. Where y'all going?
No way.
We going this way.
We're going to go to that part back there.
Cause this part better, man, with the lake and everything.
Exactly. But it's a small part.
No, it's not. No, we're not going to that one. We going to the other one.
Which one? The one that got the
Yeah, little monkey thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh? Let me see. Let me check out your drip. Okay then, Jit. Yay. You pressure. Let me check out you. What you got on? What are those? What them things called, boy? Huh?
I didn't fit out anything.
Check out my drip. Okay then, I think these polos. Yeah, Maya got the polos on, but she ain't matching. But it's cool.
Yeah, I got big.
Alright, somebody check my drip. Check my drip.
SpongeBob, you not matching.
Watch out, man. Watch out.
You ain't matching.
You got the shoes. Make sure you get the shoes now, man. You got the shoes?
SpongeBob shoes.
Okay then. Stop playing.
But
Anyway, get off them people's yard, man. If a dog come out there and bite you, I ain't gonna save you. Mike, make sure you watching him now. You running the road and get hit by a car, it's gonna be your fault. Judge, where your water at? And then ain't nobody gonna watch the street before they cross the street. Y'all just gonna get hit, bitch.
it's not like you said walk the street.
Huh?
It's not like you said walk the street.
I probably did. I don't know.
I didn't even know.
How hot y'all think it is out here right now? How many degrees y'all think it is?
90.
Oh, there's a little dog right there.
That's it.
90? How much you think, Katie?
100 degrees.
Jess, come here, Jess.
Again, I think 90.
How many degrees you think it is? How many? How hot you think it is? Oh. All right. Well, anyways, if a dog come out, I ain't saving nobody. So y'all better buck like you never bucked before. Man, y'all better save him. Who gonna save him? Cause I can't save nobody. If a dog come, y'all on y'all own, gangsters. I know it's a dog that stay there. That's why I said that. Cause soon as he come running over here, I'm be dead. I'm be dead. I'm be dead. Dang, y'all, I'm already getting my shoes dirty. We ain't even made it 3 blocks yet and my shoes already dirty.
Exactly.
Look at that. My shoes already dirty. We ain't made it. No blocks.
Black.
And these shoes fresh and clean. I gotta take some pictures, man. These fresh, just bought these, you hear me? But yeah, what that man doing? Come on, boy. Come on. Look at him, finna cross the street. Why you crossing the street? Ain't no sidewalk over there. Tripping. Huh? Huh, Jess? Dad, I like them shoes though, for real though, dog. Man, what the hell wrong with you? Huh?
I said we need to buy a pool or something. They're high.
You got money? How much money you got?
$3.
You bitch got $3.
I got 10. 8. If I get $18.
See, if y'all asked y'all mama and y'all daddy for some money, we could have went and got ice cream.
I left my money.
We could have went and got ice cream. LJ, give me your hand. He told me to leave him alone. He don't want to hold nobody's hand. He shouldn't. But yeah, y'all. So you said nigga?
No, yeah. Nana said we allowed to say it, but don't say it to people.
What?
No, because Nana already told me something.
What? What you said?
Nana said we can say it, but don't say it to people.
Say what?
The N-word.
What N-word? What? What?
Nana cussed out that word.
Nana said that cuss word?
Yeah.
All right, we going straight out this way, y'all. Come on.
I'm not playing.
What N-word y'all talk about, man? What N-word Nana said y'all could say?
We can say it, but...
What?
Nigga. Yeah, Debbie been saying it.
Who said y'all could say that?
Nana, but she said don't say it to people.
She said y'all could say nigga.
Yeah, but don't say it to people.
Why would y'all want to say that word?
Not me. Justin do. I don't. Justin like to say it. And then
LJ.
when we tell him to stop, we tell him to stop. We
You
say,
want to be up there with
stop.
Justin?
We
Go.
say Justin stop. He said I can't make myself stop. Yeah, he was saying that. I said Justin, you can't make yourself stop.
Huh? The fuck wrong with this nigga, man?
What?
He all looking over here and shit. He gonna get his ass smoked. Get your ass smoked, boy. You heard me? Man. So y'all, we probably got like 7 more minutes to walking.
I know how to get up. 7 more minutes?
I hear a snake.
I'm not serious.
Oh.
Because when my mom said she saw a snake, I wanted to catch it. Man, you an idiot. I know how to
Dad, what the hell is you doing?
Yeah,
Look, somebody's shoe. You think somebody in there? Somebody might be in there.
Really, Justin?
So you gonna pick it up? That man tweaking, y'all.
There's a homeless person's shoe.
Anyways, y'all. Oh shit. Justin, tell them we'll see them when we get close to the park.
We're going to see
Turn around and tell them. Right here.
We're going to see you when we get to the
No,
park.
you do it, bro.
We're going to see you when we get to the park. We're going to see you when we get to the park. Peace. We're going to see you when we get to the park. Peace.
Bye-bye.
That's the person.
LJ, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Y'all, everybody complaining. Oh, I'm so hot. I want something to drink. Oh, we gotta be here. All this crap and shit. What's wrong, LJ? What's wrong, Katie?
Hot.
Already know. You what? You taking a break? Maya, you ain't hot with them jeans on? Remember you said you were cold?
Yeah,
Still cold? That's what I'm saying. It's hot. Look what I got on. And I'm hot. Look at LJ back there. Somebody finna snatch you up, doo-doo. All right, you better come on. Man, the park right there. Let me show y'all. Y'all can see the lake from right here. All right, y'all see the lake down there?
Yeah.
That's where the park is at. So we crossing the road in the park down there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all know Grandpa? He dead now. Rest his soul. Come on.
It's a bee.
Come here. Let me tell y'all something real quick.
What?
In the shade. Let's get in the shade first. All right. Come on, Katie. Go over here. All right. Y'all remember Grandpa? Grandpa Larry?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So when I was like maybe y'all age, probably y'all age, yeah. And me, Madiah, and some of my other cousins, we used to come here and stay the night with Granddaddy. this was like he could walk and drive and stuff at this time. So he wasn't that sick, and we used to walk to the park down there. I remember. So, and then we used to go to the corner store right there. Y'all ain't got no money?
No.
All right, we might go to the store later. But yeah, I remember that. See, Granddaddy used to take us to the park, man. Ain't that cool? And they had car shows.
Yeah.
Look at the dump truck. They had car shows down the strip. Like they had nice cars down there and stuff.
Like Lambo.
I remember. Nah, not Lambos, classic cars, like older cars.
Oh.
But they nice though. See, y'all don't know. But yeah, Granddaddy used to take us down there. Rest in peace to Granddaddy. What up, LJ? Hot, baby? Hot? Come on.
I'm hot.
I know, we almost there though, y'all. We almost there. When we get there, we can be like, we finally made it.
That's better.
We finally made it. We made it. Dad, what up, gangster? We almost there. Y'all should have never said, yeah, y'all wanted to walk then.
I said, why we couldn't take the cars?
Because you need to walk. You need exercise.
We need to start some type of energy.
Y'all need exercise.
We've been walking all day.
All right, y'all. We almost there. I see y'all when we get there for real for this time. We finally made it. Oh, it's packed out here. See, they having some downtown for sure. We going this way. Yeah.
Let me down into that water.
I ain't saving you. I'm not saving you. I'm not saving you. He told me he want to dive in the water, y'all. I know they got a pool. It's closed though right now. LJ, still hot?
Can I get my juice?
Go out there with Justin. Go run out there with Justin. I see. He said I'm scared of the dog. The dog back there. But yeah, y'all, we finally made it to the park. So, let's get it, baby. Come on. Run before we get to Split 2. Yeah, this is the park I was at last time, y'all. They got a pool. The little thing I was sitting on there. Come on, man. We going all the way down, right? You heard me? Y'all heard me? We going all the way down. I spot 2 ops got on. He said he needs water. Huh? Down there. Oh, I said we're going all the way down there. Take a break. We going down here. What y'all doing? Huh? He dragging the bag. It's crazy.
I know. Thank you, Richard. Thank you, Richard. Vincent, if he does the break, we'll get 25.
I don't know what he did. Come on. Let's go. Here goes shade. Let's walk through the grass. Walk through the grass for some shade. Come on. They out there on the jet ski. Oh, look at the guy singing. Who want to listen to the guy sing?
Not me.
Yeah. You want to listen to the guy sing? He got a guitar. You want to go over there?
No. Yeah.
Huh?
You want to listen to the guy sing?
We'll go. I'm going to listen to him. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Oh, it's another guy too. Look. It's another guy.
There's another one back there too.
He singing? Oh, it's one over there too.
I've been there.
Oh, they just all singing today, huh?
What's these from?
I don't know. You want to listen to him? Come on, let's go. You got some money? You got to give him some money. Say.
Never been so lost. I've never felt so much at home. Please grab my folks and throw away my
He sound good?
I woke up
You like
in
him?
the car.
Me too.
You woke up in a car. What's that?
What's what?
It's not falling off.
Probably a crocodile. Or a leaf. Come on, man. Hey, no, LJ. No. Don't go. What I said, no. Don't go so close to there.
Yeah, because you might fall. No, LJ, definitely not you.
Okay, back up. Back up. Come on, let's go.
Yeah. That's something that water.
Oh, he playing something else. He sound good, y'all. I like him. That's too big to be a violin, ain't it?
Yeah.
I don't know what he playing. I think it might be. I don't know. Cameraman. Let's get it. Be where the old people at. What they doing right there? They setting up something over there too. Huh? No, it's dirty. That's dirty. 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 That's dirty. Don't put your hand in there. That's dirty. Stop it. No, it's dirty.
Hey, give me a juice.
Come on, y'all going over here? He playing the violin. They tripping, y'all. I'm finna sit right here under this tree. I hope don't nothing fall on me. Nope, I'm not holding nothing. I told you that before we got here. What?
I was ask you to put it in your bag.
Man, you got a book set right there.
Book sack. Why y'all call it book sack?
What you on,
It's a
folks?
book bag, not a book sack.
But anyway, I need somebody to take me some pictures real quick. I'm gonna push them boys in this, y'all. Which way I push it? Oh, this way?
I'm gonna sit down right there.
Come on, LJ.
Look at that boy, look at that boy, look at that boy. Look at that boy, look at me.
Man, they heavy. Whew. I'm tired. All right, I'm tired. That's it. All right, bye-bye. Whew. What's this? Oh. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I'm tired. Shit. Y'all finna have a race? Where y'all finna race? Okay, wait, hold on. They finna have a race. Wait. Hey, march. Set. Go. Whoever touched the top first. Touch the top. Nope. Ding, 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 ding. You won. Justin lost. Winner. Dang, turn that bitch up, bro. Tell me, it's hot out here though, y'all. Yeah, like I said, they having some downtown. It's busy today. And, oh, y'all can't see, but they setting up all right over there is downtown. So we might walk right over there before we leave or whatever, just to go see what they got going. I took my shoes off, y'all, because, I don't know, it's the park. I'm just relaxing. But like I said, it's a lot of people out here, so it's great though. It's great. They probably like, shit, I probably look gangster than a motherfucker. What up, Jaja? Let me take you a picture by this tree right here. Yeah. Y'all, so LJ took his shoes off because I took my shoes off, right? Not knowing that ground is hot as heck, boy. But he a little kid, he probably might not feel it for real. But man, Yeah. It's alright. He finna do something, I think. Some magic or something. Yeah, I don't know what he finna do. But we gonna see. I ain't got no money to tip nobody. If I did, I would definitely be tipping them. But yeah, you know, we gangsters, we finna turn up. This dope though that we came out here while they were doing all this stuff, rather than it being boring. Who that is? Don't come over here spitting and coughing and junk, man.
I'm not spitting.
Oh, hot. It's hot, ain't it? You gonna put your shoes on? You gonna put your shoes on? Huh? Where your water at? Where your water? I think it's over there.
The ground is hot.
Y'all, Elder just came running over here to my it's hot. I told you the ground was hot, boy. You didn't believe me, huh? You won't believe what Tiki had to say, huh? Told you it's hot, that way you gotta keep your shoes on.
Oh.
That way you gotta keep your shoes on, dude. Yeah, so Maya said she ready to go. I asked the other kids if they want to go downtown. And they said yeah.
I said yes, suffer from my welch. Yeah, our father said it.
Who is for? I ain't say nothing.
And I said yeah.
You said yeah.
We might as well just boot gain some bites.
Who finna steal some bites? You? Who?
Katie.
Alright, and you steal, you get killed.
Look at this.
Huh? What?
What?
What you said?
I'm not gonna.
Where my book bag? I don't know. It's right there. Man, I was finna say I'm finna beat somebody kid up. But we probably finna slide though, y'all. Go downtown. Go to the store. You got money?
No!
I'm just rolling with a bunch of broke people.
I left my mom down.
Just rolling with a bunch of broke people. Okay. He gaining the crowd over there, but come on, y'all boys.
Yes!
Come on, y'all boys. Let's go.
Sat in here for a long time. Now you want to leave. No, I'm ready to leave. She said she's not. She
Maya ready to leave. She complaining. We finna go downtown though. Stop, bro.
What?
Stop.
Call her. I'm ready. We just finished stay here because I just want my whole time. I just want the whole entire time to get here.
What? What?
I just want my.
Who you yelling at? First of all.
Go.
Just
Say we
stop.
can leave. You're on the way home. Go.
What you said?
I said I want my whole.
Yeah. Can't even say what you want to say with your little ugly ass. Alright, y'all. We finna go downtown.
Why?
Well, sit right here then.
Yeah, I'm on the way home.
Here, LJ. See, they having some. They got the police. Oh, that's the police that work at y'all school.
That was funny.
Yeah, the crossing guard man. It looked like him.
That was funny when Adam fell in the water. He was drowning.
Huh?
That was when we were at the house. I just fell.
All right, let me take y'all all a picture for Nana. Come on. I don't care, Maya. What? Oh, motorcycle. I see it.
Okay, I know how to work this. My friend got it.
All right, y'all. Look, they got more music over there. It's a girl. It's a girl. Over there. Come on.
Oh, way down there.
Let's see.
That's tomorrow, isn't it?
Come on. Oh, they doing this all week long? Eustis Wesker Festival. Oh, wow. Oh, look, more music. It's too hot right here, though. Let's see. Oh, she sound good. You know that song? She sound good, huh? She sound good or no? I think she sound good. Okay, guys, so I'm trying to read this in. Whew. Do this at the same time. Huh? Oh, really? Okay. Bus stop 1. The Dallas and Nick show. This say Lucifer. I'm trying to read this schedule I got right here.
Let's go in here.
And they just clapping. Oh no. We definitely not going in there. No. What is this? They got a bike show?
A bike show?
Right here with all these bikes.
It looks like they finna leave, but they finna go.
Oh yeah, maybe. Okay, wait.
What a bike show? Oh no!
Wait, let's go this way. Those are freaking unicycles. Okay, I need a break in the sun. So I can read this.
Well, you gonna break it?
Break what?
You said you finna.
Oh, look at you see that silver car over there? That's what I was talking about. Oh, they might have the cars lined up over here. Oh, look. They got the nice cars. I see. I told y'all that's what I was talking about. Wait, let me read this. What's today? It's the 27th? Yeah, I think so. Oh, look. See, car show at 2:30.
2:30. What time is Probably 1 o'clock.
It's 2:30. It's 2:31.
You missed it.
So, no, it's right here. You don't see all the nice cars? I was just talking about that. Come on, let's go see them. They only got a little bit, though. They don't have a lot. Like those old classic cars.
I know, my friend have it.
The old classic cars. That's crazy. I was just talking to them about that. How my granddad used to bring us out here and, miss them.
This what they used to
I
do?
miss them. Yeah, but they used to have a lot of like cars lined up like right here. A lot of the vintage cars. Okay, don't touch none of these cars, all right?
I'm not.
You see it? You know the other cars like the green car over there, the red one, this Beetle,
What's a big one?
that one, the silver one. You see it? Huh?
Well, how is this a car show if the car's not doing nothing?
Because they just lined up so you can see them.
The car show
That's it.
like the car's doing shit.
No, it's not.
Like, where you going?
Not necessarily.
Where you want me going?
I don't know yet. Turn this way. Look. See, look at the cars. Look at the nice cars.
You said we're going somewhere.
See them? Look at that. Ain't that nice? Look at this one. Wow.
What is supposed to be like the old school
Look at that.
Mustang?
Wow, yes. Isn't that nice? Look at this one. Oh my God. This is beautiful. You don't like this one?
I see this is a hot
Man, yeah, like a Hot Wheel car.
Yeah.
Y'all don't like it?
No.
This dope. We finna go home.
Yes.
Okay, come on. Let's walk back up this way.
Tomorrow the pool
Yeah,
open.
these cars is dope, man. They tripping.
Hey, is tomorrow the pool open or it's closed tomorrow?
I don't know. We gotta see. I'll see.
I'm hot.
We're going straight up this way. Oh, they got the stove over there, though. I see it.
Carpet over right.
I think we're gonna go over to that stove over there.
Why?
So I can buy me something.
Yeah. I thought you said you don't have no money.
Huh? Which one?
That one.
Oh,
That one. This one.
excuse us. That one? That's the one you like? Oh, Ryan, he loud.
Why it sound like that? Nah, you can't be driving that at night.
He loud. Look at this one. Yeah, they finna bring all the cars out. See? This the ones I was talking about, the older ones. Woo-hoo-hoo. Right. He got that jammed up. Look at him. Oh my God, boy.
That car cannot be driving. No how
Ooh,
they
you
drive.
smell that? Look, there's one over there too. Way over there. It's
These
there.
cars look like they stink.
It stank, don't it? Ooh.
This car look like they were good.
Thank you.
Like 1376.
See, that's an older car too over there. You see both of them?
These cars look like they was built in 1376.
Yeah, they old, man.
Look at
They
that.
gonna have them all out here later. They just coming. They just not pulling up, but they gonna be all out here later. For real, so. Alright, y'all. This the store my granddaddy used to take us to. We used to walk to the park, cause he used to stay right here. Well, his wife still stay here in Eustis, but my granddaddy died, y'all. So it used to bring back a lot of memories. Clap, 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 clap. Alright, come on. Clappity, 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 clap, clap. Alright, everybody can get one 99-cent drink. I'm gonna show y'all what's the 99-cent drink.
Those are the 99 cent drinks.
That's soda though.
Yeah.
What's to my like juice or something? Like juice or something. Juice or something.
Like any of these drinks.
Huh?
She said I said only drinks.
Yeah. Come on. Hey, no, none of that. You got money? Put that down. Oh, like these. See, brisk. These big ones. I would get a big one if I was y'all. Just saying. Mike, give me the strawberry one at the top. Yeah, that one. You're not getting no Gatorade. You need something that's 99 cents.
Yeah.
Just hold it for me, bro.
I can't get this in here.
Put it in your pocket. What? Put it in Kaden book sack.
Okay.
Stop clapping them. Come here. Let me see what that's 99 cents. 99 cents. Well, you ain't gonna get none. Oh well, come on, let's go. I'm leaving.
No.
Y'all got y'all drink. Y'all better come on.
I'm gonna get my drink.
All right, come on. LJ, go get a drink. Get LJ one too. All these over here 99 cents. All on. Here, doodle head.
That's all I got.
Well, they ain't got no baby drinks.
No, you
Oh, here go a baby drink. Oh, y'all want a baby drink for 99 cents?
No. Can they got coffee?
Here.
It's Starbucks.
Come on. Come on, let's get it. Alright, y'all, we finna go home. We finna go home. I wanna go home.
I don't want to go home. I could have been home if you wasn't watching that little show.
I know, but that was a cool show though, huh?
Uh-huh. My favorite
know.
part was it when he
Ooh,
was
Jay, give me these. Hold on.
Can I tuck them like this?
No, give me that.
I want one.
No, get that for me. You got money?
You
I
know
ain't paying for nothing. Pick that up, man. Pick that one up.
He ripped
up there. Put it up there. Alright, put y'all stuff up there. Come on, let's go. Put y'all stuff up there. Put your stuff up there. Put it up there. Put your drink up there.
I know that. I'm going to get in trouble. Stop!
Yeah, okay, stop.
What is it?
Hey, stop.
Let me get my necklace. Bruh, come on, Maya. Keep what you want. Pedro told me to put the stuff in my hand because I had to hold me in the backpack because I had to hold. Take the drink in my No! You hold your... No. I should have my own backpack.
Come here, LJ. Let me open your drink.
Grab your drink. Let's go.
Oh, slime. It be like, woo, woo. Come on here. You want to get in the camera?
Ow.
Oh, slime. It be like, woo, woo. All right, come on, let's go. Here. Y'all hold all that stuff in y'all hand. But we finna go home, though, y'all.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Why don't it look like neighbor car?
Huh?
It look like neighbor car.
Neighbor car. Ooh,
Why is it?
I don't know. But come on, where y'all going? Come on, come this way.
You know a neighbor.
If y'all would have had some money, see, y'all gotta ask y'all parents for money. We go
That's
do
what they
stuff.
gonna say. No.
Y'all can't be broke, cuz.
I got money.
Oh, come on. Y'all can't be broke, cuz. My fault, gangster. Alright. Y'all can't be broke, you feel me?
Do we have to walk home?
Yeah, you gotta walk.
Why you want to order that? Why you want to buy a taxi?
Who finna buy a taxi? I ain't no buying no taxi. We finna walk. How we got here? We walked here, right? He said order a taxi to take us home, y'all. He crazy.
I want ice cream.
Where y'all going? We going up this way.
I want ice cream. I didn't know that. I want
Yeah, I did. You want what?
Just say you want ice cream.
You got money? Who got money?
Me.
Raise your hand if you got money.
Mommy.
Let me see the money.
I got money, but I
Y'all, this the ice cream shop. How many lights for us to go to the ice cream shop? How many lights for us to go there?
0.
2 lights for us to go there.
0.
All right, get this video to 2 lights, and I'm gonna take them to the ice cream shop.
And that's gonna be 3 lights. But we said give us 1 light, and then we go to the.
Aha! Exactly. So,
That's gonna be 3.
all right, y'all.
How many lights you asked for? Then we give you more lights than you asked for.
Why you leave as it back there?
I wasn't paying attention to that.
All right, y'all, that's gonna have to do it for this video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Peace.
3K followers. I mean subscribers.
All right, see y'all in the next video.